If you're unfamiliar with what Pancake Swap is, then watch this video and we will tell you all about the decentralized exchange for swapping BEP20 tokens. Pancake Swap is a decentralized exchange much like Uniswap, only it's much cheaper. The gas fees on Uniswap have become outrageous these days, and unless you're buying a large amount of coins it just isn't worth it. Uniswap runs on the Ethereum chain, however Pancake Swap runs on the Binance Smart Chain. This DEX lets you swap tokens without an intermediary, as well as earn liquidity pool and staking rewards, and they even have a lottery you can enter. Pancake Swap is also extremely cheap with transactions and smart contracts only being a few cents. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions during this tutorial, just leave a comment and we'll get back to you. The first step before we can even use Pancake Swap is linking a crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. So if you're on the main page, just click the connect button, you'll see a list of wallets. I have a MetaMask, so I'll be selecting it for this tutorial. If you don't have the Google Chrome plugin, go ahead and grab it and link it to your MetaMask so it will auto-connect when you press connect. Once you have your MetaMask wallet connected, you'll see your wallet address in the top right corner of the screen. If this is your first time using the Binance Smart Chain, you'll have to approve a couple things. For instance, if you've been on Uniswap, it will automatically connect to the Ethereum mainnet, so it will tell you Pancake Swap uses the Binance Smart Chain and will ask you to switch. You want to be on the Binance Smart Chain. Now that we have our wallet connected, we need to purchase some BNB because again Pancake Swap runs on the Binance Smart Chain. You will always use BNB to make transactions on Pancake Swap. I always purchase BNB from Binance. However, if you already own BNB on another exchange such as KuCoin, then you would just need to send it to your MetaMask wallet. But for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to purchase BNB from Binance. Now if you do not already have some BNB, you'll have to purchase some. If you've never been on Binance before, you'll have to set up an account. If you live in the US, Binance has a separate exchange from their main DEX. If you're interested in accessing main DEX, I'll drop a link in the description going over how to access it via VPN. Now go over to the recipient's BNB address and paste your MetaMask wallet address. To get that address, just go to the MetaMask plugin and click Account 1 and it will automatically copy the address to your clipboard. Then we're going to select Binance Smart Chain, and we'll type in how much of the BNB we want to send. If you want to send all of it, just select Max. Now click Submit. You'll have to do your two-factor authentication steps and then you'll be done. Normally, it takes to reach your wallet will be instant, however sometimes like how it was during the dip it could be delayed for a while, but that's out of the norm. I just wanted to mention that in case it isn't instantaneous, to not worry, your funds will eventually reach your wallet. Now that we have our BNB, we can now purchase some altcoins. So to get started, click Trade and then Exchange. Now if you have a specific token in mind that you know runs on the Binance Smart Chain, then you can use these steps for that coin. But for this tutorial I'm just going to buy Cake because I'm going to be making a staking tutorial later on. So I'll be leaving the BNB because we're exchanging BNB for Cake. So on the To tab, click the drop-down menu and select Cake. So enter the amount of BNB you want to use. If you have a specific amount in mind, if you want to use them, enter it. Just keep in mind you need to have enough to cover gas fees. Then select Swap. It will say it is waiting for confirmation, so go to your MetaMask wallet and hit the confirm button. Now unless you already added the coin to your MetaMask wallet, it will not show up, so you'll have to manually add it. I always go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko. Then you just want to type in the coin name and you'll see a small fox head if you're using MetaMask, so click that and it will automatically add the token to your MetaMask wallet. Now you'll be able to see your coins. Now say your coin shot up and it's time to sell your coins, then you would change the top tab to whatever coin you're selling and then on the To tab select BNB. Now if you're already familiar with liquidity pools, you can add liquidity. If you want me to make a video explaining exactly what liquidity pools are, then leave a comment below. So if you want to add liquidity for BNB and Cake pool, then you would of course need both BNB and Cake. So you would select how much of each you wanted to add into the pool. The amount of both needs to be the same, so if you're throwing 500 BNB into the pool, you also have to throw in 500 Cake. Down here it will tell you how much Cake per BNB NAD, how much BNB per Cake you will get, as well as the percentage of your share of the pool. Now the less you put in, the smaller your share of the pool will be, and vice versa. The share of the pool comes from transactions that occur on Pancake Swap, So you are essentially getting a cut of every transaction that happens on this DEX. So if you wanted to get liquidity, then you would select approve cake, and again you will have to approve it on MetaMask. You will now gain what is called LP tokens that can be used on the staking farms. So you would click which liquidity pool you have a share in, click stake LP. You don't have to leave them there for a year, you can withdraw them whenever you want. If you click on pools, it will take you to the syrup pools. Here you can stake single tokens. So you would select the token you want to stake. Of course you already need to have some of the token to stake. So find the coin you want and select approve cake. You'll then have to approve it on MetaMask. And that's it. I just wanted to give a quick rundown of Pancake Swap and how to use each of its features. If you want a more in-depth video explaining liquidity pools and staking, then just leave us a comment below and if we'll get on that. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, and be sure to like and let us know what you think about it. Please subscribe to Blockchain Culture if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that notification bell for more in-depth tutorials and guides so that we can continue to get those gains.